Hi there, I'm Dave Irons from Dan Plowman Team Realty, and I'm excited to introduce you to 56 Kennett Drive in Whitby, Ontario. Located in a highly sought after Queens Common neighborhood, this beautiful home has a backyard oasis that I cannot wait for you to see. But first, we're going to send it inside to my partner Joy Ackerman. She's going to tell you all the details about this beautiful home.
With over 3,000 square feet of luxurious living space, this home features a stunning kitchen, 4 bathrooms, and 4+1 bedrooms. Now let's check out the finished basement and I'll meet you upstairs. This great-sized master bedroom offers a beautiful ensuite with a soaker tub and a stand-up shower. Also, not only one, but 2 walk-in closets perfect for all your clothing and accessories. Now, I think Dave is in the backyard hanging out, so why don't we go meet up with him and hear about the oasis.
Now that you've seen the inside of this beautiful home, I'm going to let the backyard speak for itself. Thanks for stopping by 56 Kennett Drive. I hope you guys have enjoyed the tour.